Okay, so good day everyone, good day sir. So today I will going to demonstrate on how to create a VLAN using the Cisco Packet Tracer. And of course, I will show you on how to create a connection using the access port and the trunk port. And so first, let's add some ayan, video demonstration of VLAN with. Okay, so first, let's do the VLAN with access port first. Garcia T. Ayan. So, this video, ayan. Okay, so first thing first, let's add switches. Ayan, so let's say that this switch first, yeah. The switch 0 and the switch 1. Ayan. Okay, in creating a VLAN, let's add a and switch and devices like the PC. Ayan, so let's assume that the VLAN 1 has three three and devices. Ayan. So, and then we're using connections. We're using straight through as their connection sa switch. Ayan. S- Ayan. So, let's assume or assume natin na the VLAN 1 is there are 5 ports na naka-reserve sa kanila. Ayan. So, parang meron silang allotted. Ayan. May allotted 5 ports para sa VLAN 1. So, PC0 is Ethernet 1 and PC1 for 2 and PC2 for 3. And so, eto, naka-create na tayo ng VLAN 1. Let's just add some. Ayan. And then, note that it is a VLAN 1. And so, may VLAN 1 na tayo. Next is, add some end device PC again. Add 1, 2, 3. And dito naman, let's say meron din tayo dito allotted 5 ports. Ayan. So, dito sa VLAN 1 kanina, we use the 5 ports 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now, we're going to use the 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 ports. So, using the straight through connection again, add some connection between the PC and the switch 8 and add some circle and then note VLAN 2 so, and create another VLAN using connection. Okay, the allotted ports here is the 11 to 15. 13. VLAN 3. Next. VLAN 4. Add some straight through connection again. Then, ang allotted naman na ports dito is from 16 to 20. 16 to 20. Ayan, so meron na tayong VLAN 1, 2, 3, 4 in this switch. Ayan, so next is let's create another VLAN for switch 1. So same process, add some PC device, and then connection, fast Ethernet 1 then. Next is fast Ethernet 2, 3. And add ellipse. This is VLAN 1. Again, 1, 2, 3. 6, 7, 8. VLAN 2. And then in VLAN 3, let's add 2 PC lang. 1, 2. We're gonna use the the port 11 to 15. The VLAN 3, and then last VLAN for this switch. Sixteen, 17, and so we have our last VLAN. Assume that this is VLAN 4. Ayan. So, since meron na tayong dalawang switches, let's add now the connection or the access port. Ayan. So, in order to do that, we're gonna use the connection again. But instead of using this, let's use the 21 to 24. Ayan. 21 down to 21. Then another connection. 22, 22, 22, 23, 24, 24. And so now, um, we have our VLAN with access port and connection. Um, and now we're going to demonstrate on how to create a VLAN with or using the trunk port. And so let's add some note here that this is access port. And so control save, downloads, VLAN, access port, version D, block B. Ayan. So control save. Ayan. And we're gonna take screenshot of this. Okay, now let's create the demonstration of the trunk port. The trunk port and trunk port. Okay, in creating trunk port, all we have to do is to delete all of this, all of the connection in access port, and add one connection only. We're gonna using the fast ethernet 20 port. Ayan. So this is the demonstration of VLAN with the trunk port. Ayan. So let's just save the file and rename it as trunk port. And then save. And we're gonna take our screenshot. Ayan. So that's all for the demonstration of VLAN with access port and trunk port using the Cisco Packet Tracer. Thank you.